What's goody, we are back again with another video. The girlies told me to tell y'all to like, comment, and subscribe earlier on in my video, so like, comment, subscribe. In today's video, we will be doing a DIY. My nail is crusty and I need to fix it. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I did go ahead and spoil y'all. I put a lot into this video as far as like content for y'all, even some behind the scenes. Alright, so here you are going to see me trying out some different lighting angles so that you could better see. And I thought this would be cool to show somebody else because for the longest I've been doing my nail sets in the dark or, you know, not in the best lighting. And with a couple of little changes, I was able to enhance the quality of my videos just like that. So here I am trying to show y'all that I'm the best fowler, and here we have a not the best moment. So with this nail, I had used a MARKARTT full cover tip and I moved it down my nail plate because it didn't fit perfectly. So yeah, this video was only supposed to be me changing the design on top, but I guess somebody needed to see this, so I went ahead and kept the show going. Another behind the scenes moment that I want y'all to see, like, this is how goofy we be looking when we not in frame. Like, why am I so far out of frame? This is hard. Trying to be in frame is the hardest thing ever. Like, ask any YouTuber. I feel like that's what they're gonna say. But anyways, we are taking the MARKARTT full cover nail tips that I got years ago when I first started doing nails. I just never used it because it didn't fit my nail tips right. Well, in my opinion. But now I know how to disguise that. So it's like, it don't fit, you work around it. It don't fit, work around it. It don't fit, work around it. It's kind of embarrassing the way that I struggled trying to open this daggone bag, so I wanted to leave it in there because put it in the container. Why is it even in these little bags anyways? And I do hope you guys are having a great day.
Making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine.
Let's get into the designs. My base coat and my Young Nails primer. I love this primer. So I did take a easy route when it came to this nail. I'm not even gonna lie, because it took longer than expected. Like I said, I was sat down thinking that I was going to change the design on my nail, which meant I was just gonna file the glitter off and then polish it. It turned into a whole repair, so I had to improvise. To Today we are using Model 1's Polygel in the color pink. This is another not the best moment because I used way too much Polygel.
Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get
This is my flat nails, so every time I'm doing the tip on this nail, it's a little bit harder for me to get the nail tip to fit around the wider part of the nail. But it's okay because you can disguise that, like I said. I was trying out a new nail lamp and it was not curing the polygel. So some of it was wet, some of it was dry. It was a hot mess. So I started over. I took some of the polygel out of the nail and then I just reapplied it. Because my girl Aaliyah said, if at first you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try it again. For some reason, this Model 1's polygel was not applying the proper way. It looks like I have something in the polygel, but there's nothing in there. And I did have to go ahead and fix that when I had did my last filing. We are going to take Madam Glam's Perfect Black and paint it a thin coat because this polish is very thick.
Don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna? But can't stand to see me walk out the door.
So this was only supposed to be a video of me redesigning my thumbnail. It turned into a whole repair, so I had to improvise on the design. And when in doubt, put glitter on it. I love putting down a base color or a white glitter. It just makes the design pop. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I do appreciate it. And for watching to the end. I hope that you are enjoying my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for more.